Hello everyone, welcome to Apna channel. So I hope your preparation is going well for IJE Common Category Recruitment 2023. In the last video, I show you the official syllabus, and now this video is all about your phase 2 preparation strategy and preparation strategy for general awareness section, which consists of your 25 questions. Okay. So in this video, I will discuss that, okay, what you can expect out of this 35 question level, okay, then how much you should target in general awareness to get final selection in IJE as a common category post. Before that, form last date is 4th of September. So if you didn't fill the form, then you can fill the form. Already I made the form filling video. That link also I will give you in the comment section. Okay, before going to our main video, there is quick update for you guys that your IJE success pack you launch now. Okay, so those who are targeting Airport Authority of India JEE Common Category single recruitment, you can join your success pack. Okay, for you guys, you have success pack, and along with IJE, if you are targeting other recruitments that you can see in your master success pack, then you can join master success pack. Okay, now for the recruitment of IATC also we will target, so definitely it will in your master success pack. So if you are targeting IJCC plus IATC, then I will recommend you to join master success pack. If you want just IJCC, then go for success pack. Okay, so this was quick update. Okay, so already we completed with phase 1, and I hope that whatever things I told in phase 1 you already completed with that. Now this is all about your phase 2, and in phase 2 the question is what is the period. Okay, now first of all, those who are watching this video for the first time and you don't have idea about phase 1 and everything, in the comment section you will get the link of phase 1 video. Okay, so after this you can just watch that video, or before also you can watch, no problem in that, but watch by default, and from that you will get idea in detail, right? So see, basically now in phase 2 we will target from 18th of August, that is from tomorrow, till 3rd September. Right, so probability means probably I am giving you 15 days for your preparation, correct? Now in 15 days what you need to complete, let's discuss that quickly. Okay, so now we will discuss only about general awareness section, which have your 35 questions or 35 marks, most important, and this is a deciding section in your IJE exam. Okay, if you score good marks in it as compared to all your India candidate, then your chances will be increased in your final merit list. Okay, so before going to discussion, the main question, first question, that what is the distribution of these 35 questions? Okay, majorly I divide your general awareness section into two things. First is your current affairs, and second is your general studies. Okay, this is my way. In current affair, your static GK I consider, and in GS, that is general studies, history, geography, polity, economics, environment I consider. Okay, so now see, out of this 35 you can expect 22 to 25 questions from current affair itself, and remaining questions like 10 to 13 questions you can expect from general studies. Okay, means as per common sense, definitely we need to put more efforts on current affair as compared to general studies, right? Now who should do general studies, who should do current affair, how you should do, everything in detail I will discuss. Just stay tuned to the video, and with all your attention I want you should watch this video. Okay, so see, first question, I hope that clear, that what is the distribution. Second, what is the level? So see, level you can expect easy to moderate only. It is not like they will ask you in depth current affairs. Okay, no, easy to moderate level you can expect for all the both the things, general studies also and current affairs also, means overall general awareness section. Okay, and now here how much you should target, that is most important. Okay, how much marks you should target so that your chances will get increased. So if out of 35 you score 25 to 28 marks, I am talking about marks, okay, not talking about attempt. I want this marks, means obviously if you need to attempt more question, little more question as compared to this, right? So see, basically we want in 25 to 28 only. Okay, we don't want 24, we don't want 23 or 25. If you are in this range, then you can expect that, okay, yes, your chances will get increased, right? Okay, so I hope these three questions answer you got: distribution, level and target. And now we will start our strategy of current affair. So for the phase 2 we will focus on July month and August month. Okay, now the next question which I am getting frequently, that how much current affair should I read, correct? So see, now those who are new student, first of all for you guys, you will start from July month, August, September and October first or second week. Okay, depending on your exam date. Already I told you about expected exam date in the first video. In the comment section you will get the link, watch that, right? So you need to complete these four things by default. And those who are repeaters, if you are repeater, means who is repeater? Basically giving continuously exams, and new student means first time targeting IJ. Okay, first time doing preparation. So those who are repeater, you can take May and June month also. Okay, May, June, July, August, September, October for repeater only, not for new student. Now see, basically this part have your 90% of weightage, and May, June, or before that also, beyond that also they can ask. It is not fixed that they will ask only 6 months. Beyond that also they will ask, but obviously we want selection, so we will work smartly, not hardly. Okay, so 90% weightage will be given to this 4 month, and 10% weightage you can expect for May, June, or January also, February also, depending on them. Okay, so I hope you got the idea that how much current affair you should read for your IJE common category and other post also. If you are targeting other post of IJE, then also it will be same for you. Okay, there is no difference. Okay, so see now what is the resources to complete the current affair. So now our magazine is there. Okay, first time we are starting our own magazine, Apna Government Job magazine. So definitely, strictly I will recommend you this magazine. Now as it was our first magazine, so I already uploaded full magazine on our Telegram channel. Okay, so after our video, join Telegram channel. In the file section you will get full magazine. Download that July month magazine and you can read the current affair. You will see the beauty of that magazine, that how much effort our team has put in that to give you quality content. Okay, and like that the further magazines you will get in your Success Pack also and Master Pack also. Success Pack also have magazine and Master Pack also have magazine. Okay, already July month magazine is there, and in your application or your Success Pack, Master Pack, I already uploaded file wise structure magazine. Okay, means what? It is important to read the magazine, but it is also important and very important to revise the magazine before exam. So our file wise structure enables you to revise all the things in that particular month in file wise structure. Okay, quickly you can revise the things, important dates, then scientific technologies, then in national news, international, etc. Okay, so like that you will use and you will complete. Other resources, if you are using any resources, that also you can follow, but obviously I will recommend my, because I know that how much and what are the content in there in my resources. Okay, about other I can't give you guarantee. Okay, as you already watched my video IBGO, how coaching companies scam lots of aspirant, 1000 aspirant, and now 1000 aspirant gone, lose the opportunity of IBGO. Okay, I don't want that same thing will happen with you. That's why I will recommend you to follow my strategy only if you are watching my channel. Simple, right? So this is all about your magazine or current affairs. July, August you will target for this phase 2. Okay. Then for confidence building, Telegram PDF and daily video. Now basically what is this, how to use in detail I will tell you further. Okay, just wait for that. And for exam level practice, for your IJ specific practice, block wise strategy which is already started. So if you are joining Master Pack or Success Pack now, then first thing you will do, that start with blockwise strategy quickly. Okay, our definitely one-to-one call will get scheduled. In that I will guide you, no need to worry for that. But for your first task is to start with your blockwise strategy. Okay, and second, mock test which acts as a question bank. So by default definitely mock test you will do for practice also, for time management also, and as a question bank also. These are the 3 features of our mock test. Okay, so this is all about your current affair. I hope you got the things. If not, then again you can rewind the video or you can ask me in the comment section also. Okay, so let's move further. Now GS and GK. So already we completed 2 chapters. Okay, in your phase 1. Now phase 2 we will target economics, physics and chemistry. Static GK by default till your exam last day. Okay, till your exam day continuously you will read static GK. There is no break in static GK. Just always remember this, right? So economics, physics and chemistry we are taking, and now the resources from which you can prepare. So see, first basically any book you have for this economics, physics and chemistry, you can use that, no problem. NCERT also you can use. Okay, if you have Lucent, I will recommend Lucent book, because from that you can quickly complete the things. Okay, and that is enough. Once you can read the things, make the notes, that's it. Okay, no need to read it again. Then after that you will do practice only. Okay, so again Lucent you can use. Again you have any other book, use that, no problem in that. Those who are repeaters, you will just revise. You will make sure that okay, I completed this or not. If completed, revise the things, right? Practice blockwise strategy, MSP and SP already. Okay, and Telegram PDF you will use, and then exam practice, blockwise strategy, MSP, SP, and mock test by default you will use, right? So this is all about your current affair and GSGK. So I hope you got the idea. Now the next thing, that whatever Telegram PDF and daily video I told you, how to use that properly, how to make notes, let's discuss that quickly. Okay, so let me open Telegram on my mobile, and here you can see the screen also in front of you. So now first important thing you should note, that here you can see that it is written hashtag. Okay, some exams names are there which we target on our channel. Okay, that you can see hashtag DFSL, hashtag Bell. So first important thing you should note that whenever there is written hashtag IJ, okay, so that PDF you will use for your exam preparation. Okay, if it is not written, then you will not use that PDF. I hope you understand this point. Okay. Okay, now for those who got my channel right now only, first important thing, do subscribe to our channel. Okay. Second thing you will do, what you will do, you will start from 1st August. So just click on the name of Apna Government Job channel. Then here you can see file section, go to file section, and here you can see all the PDF. Okay, 12th August, then 11th, like that. So go to 1st August and start the PDF. Okay, from 1st August you will start with daily PDF. Right. So now again I will click on IJ for you guys, and then we will start. Let me go to 16th of August, yesterday. Okay, so first file you can see in front of you, that is static GK. Okay, STK GK is static GK. So I will just click on that and open with Adobe and every other software. So here you can see that mixed static GK questions are there. Okay, so this is your first PDF, that's static GK, and here you can see mixed static GK questions. And from now here I have given you questions from history, right? So these questions you will do. You can also note it down or you can download this PDF. No problem in that. Whatever in which field you comfortable, do that. Okay, so this is the first PDF. Then second PDF, if you see, okay, just scroll down, or you can see video. So this video is your daily current affair video. Okay, it is, the duration is hardly 30 to 35 seconds, and in this 30 to 35 seconds we are covering 4 to 5 daily important current affairs that you need to note down. At least highlight, I want that you should note down. Okay, and it is for all Success Pack, MSP, YouTube student, everyone. You should follow this strategy, right? So this is second you will use, that is video, short video I can say. Then third you can see here daily table. Okay, the third PDF you can see daily table, right? I will just open it for you like this, and here you can see now daily you are getting static GK in tabular format. So basically here we are taking only one topic. Okay, and on that one topic I am giving you data. Just read it and try to remember, try to recall, make notes, or download the PDF again, right? So in this PDF, basically first PDF, I am giving you mixed questions, and in the next PDF, that is daily table, I am giving you topic wise static GK. Like here topic is major wars of the world. Okay, major wars of the world, here it is the topic. So you will do this, correct? So this is the third PDF you will use. Then fourth I will go down again. Okay, and here you can see general awareness. So fourth is your GA, that is general awareness. So just open it. Here also I have written hashtag IJ, means you will use for your exam. So just open it, and here you can see current affairs are given, daily current affair, important current affair. Okay, so along with video you will also do this thing. Okay, now how to use this PDF, because this PDF is most powerful. Okay, let me give you one example. See, let me start with your 7th question. Okay, I will read the question for you. Recently the Ministry of State for Jal Shakti had shed light on India's significant stride in the dam safety and water resource management. Consider the following statement regarding dams of India. First statement is given, India is ranked 3rd in the world in terms of building large dam. Second is given, Tehri Dam in Uttarakhand is the highest dam in India. Okay, and is built on Bhagirathi river. And third statement is given, Hirakud Dam in Odisha built on river Godavari and is the longest dam in India. Okay, now just listen carefully that how you can utilize this one question to strong your static GK also and current affair also. Okay, what is expectation, why it is framed like that. See, so from this question you will get idea. Okay, that Ministry of State for Jal Shakti, okay, recently has share the highlights on India's significant stride in the dam safety and management, right? So here you can see the first option, second option, third option, and answer written is 7B. Okay, what is answer? 7B. Means only 1 and 2 is correct. So from this one section or one question, you are getting the idea that India is ranked 3rd in the world in terms of building large dam. So this question also they can ask, that what is the rank of India in terms of world, okay, as compared to world, to build the large dams, right? So you got the answer 1. So one static GK you cover from this, right? Second static GK you cover that Tehri Dam is in Uttarakhand. Okay, Tehri Dam in Uttarakhand, you got the idea, first point. Second, it is the highest dam. Second point you are getting, because lots of time those who are giving computer exams, you may see the question that okay, which is the highest dam in India? Tehri Dam. Okay, so second point. And the third point, that it is the built on Bhagirathi river, because sometime little bit in depth if they want to ask, they will ask that Tehri Dam is built on which river? Bhagirathi. So from this second point I got 3 static GK. What? Tehri Dam is in Uttarakhand. It is the highest dam and it is built on Bhagirathi River. This is the power of this current affairs, statement based current affair. Okay. So I hope you got the idea that how to read and how to practice or prepare current affair from this, because this is most powerful, and from the one expression you can see how I am connecting the current affairs, right? Now in the comment section from you guys I want answer that third point is wrong. Okay, why it is wrong? That Hirakud Dam is in Odisha, where it is located. Okay, location of Hirakud Dam, and it is the longest dam in India. Okay, that is for sure. But on which river it is built? So these 2 or 3 answers I want in comment section why your third point is wrong. Okay, so like this, if you prepare daily, then definitely I can guarantee you within 25 to 30 days you will feel super confident in current affairs, and out of this 35 you will get our target. What is our target? 25 to 28 or more. Obviously it is not like just we will score 25 to 28. If you score more, definitely it will good, right? But the condition is consistently for the next 25 to 30 days you need to prepare current affair like what I suggested in your whole strategy video. Okay, all the 5 things along with magazine, if you combine everything, then you will become super strong in current affair. Okay, if you are starting new, if you feel low confidence in current affair, daily 2 to 3 hours you will give for current affair. Okay, last 5th video also I will made that summary video, and in that I will tell you that why current affairs section is most important for your overall selection. Okay, in that 5th video I will tell you. This is the first video, current affairs strategy. Second will be aptitude, third will be reasoning, fourth will be English, 5th will be summary. Okay, so if you prepare like that, then definitely no one can stop you, and this is all about your Telegram PDF. Okay, one more Telegram PDF I left, and that is your, again I will start with this general studies Telegram PDF. Okay, now see here you can see biology. So if those who are new student, if you didn't completed biology yet, because biology we are taking in phase 2, but if you are repeater, you already know the biology, directly open it and solve the MCQs. Okay, revise your biology notes and directly solve the MCQs from that. Daily like this you are getting polity, history, like that you are getting. Okay, suppose till now we completed history, right? And also I completed polity also. So if there is polity, I will revise my notes, I will solve this MCQ, right? So like this you need to follow daily. I am talking about daily. Okay, not for this 25-30 till your exam day. You need to follow this, and definitely you will see a great result in general awareness section, 35 questions. Okay, see our final target is to get selection, but to get the selection we should have small goals. And what is our goal? That first goal is to score 25 to 28 or more marks in this 35 question or 35 marks of current affairs. Okay, so I hope everything is clear, and now you got the idea that how you can score more marks in current affair, target level, lots of things, right? In the comment section still, if you have any doubt, any query, you can comment down below. If you are getting problem in form filling, then you can comment down below this video also and form filling video also, right? All the links of Success Pack, Master Pack, Telegram PDF, I will give you in the comment section. So do check out. Now the next video will be second video, that how to prepare for aptitude in your IJE exam 2023.